Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this absolutely beautiful 2010 Triumph Daytona 675. This is Triumph's midsize sport bike. Has a 675cc triple fuel injected engine, 6-speed transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Bike has very low miles, only has 8325 on the odometer. This bike is very clean, has lots of upgrades, new tires front and rear, CRG adjustable levers, has the Healy bars, taller handlebars, frame sliders, aftermarket adjustable rear sets, Saddleman seat, has the Jardine exhaust. Bike sounds beautiful, looks beautiful, just serviced it. Ready to ride, priced at only $64.99 with finance options available. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out.